let's just say Michael Mosiman probably had the best debut you could probably hope for him. Obviously, last year, I think he only raced like 6 races, 4 in Supercross and 2 in outdoors. Injury, season over, done. 9 months off the bike, and then what was it? A couple weeks ago, he got signed to. I mean, the rumor's been around for a while, but a couple weeks ago, he got officially signed to the Star Racing Yamaha team, and then Seattle would be his first debut or his debut, and let's say it worked out pretty well for him. You got to say, after coming off an injury, not being on a race bike or racing for 9 months, to finish or qualify first out of the B group, finish fifth in the heat race. Obviously, these numbers could be better. The perfect night would be finish first, finish first, finish first, but that's whatever. Finish fifth in his heat race and sixth in the main, which is great. That's a solid performance from somebody who hasn't been on a bike in a long time. And the cherry on top of all of that, he was the top finishing Star Racing rider. With all the big names that they have, all the people who should be or should have been title contenders, however you want to word it, and for him to come out and say, hey, here it is. Who knows how long this lasts, or what happens next week or next time he races, outdoors, all that kind of stuff. But yeah, I'd say for him, this is a dream fill-in ride to get on one of the obviously the best 250 teams, going from Gas to yeah, he was on Gas. Yeah, TLD Gas. Yeah, geez, to to Star Yamaha as a fill-in rider. That's the dream. Like, you get dropped by one team, you get plumped onto the probably the best 250 program at the moment, to be honest, and to finish well. Like, this is a good showing for him. It's not a win, it's not a podium, whatever, but to be off the bike for that long and then come back and show that you do have speed and you can race, and I think he did a great job. But I don't know, you guys tell me in the comments below. What do you think of Seattle? What do you think of the race? What do you think of him? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. And while you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.